This video is show on how to fix common DNS server errors, troubleshoot DNS issue, name server issue, repair Active Directory DNS. Update pointer record. Go to DNS Server Manager. Tools. Select DNS. Go to Forward Lookup Zone. Expand domain name. Right-click on record and select Properties. Click on Update Associated Pointer Record. Apply and OK. Go to Reverse Lookup Zone and refresh. Option 2. Check Zone Properties. Right-click on domain name and select Properties. In General tab I am choosing Non-Secure and Secure Dynamic Update. Click on Apply. Click Start of Authority tab. Choose 1 minute in refresh interval. Choose 1 minute in retry interval. Click on Apply. Check the name server. If showing star, click Edit. And fill computer name and domain name. Click Zone Transfer. Click Allow Zone Transfer. Apply and OK. Option 3. Clear DNS cache and reload DNS. Right-click on server. Click Clear Cache. Right-click on domain name. Click Reload. Click on Yes. Option 4. Flush and register DNS. Go to PowerShell admin. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type ipconfig /register DNS. Registration of the DNS resource record for all adapters of this computer has been initiated. Any error will be reported in the event viewer in 15 minutes. After these command reboot the server if possible. It reboot cannot possible restart the DNS server services. Go to Services. Restart the DNS services. In this video seen all option may help to rectify the DNS issue. If issue cannot resolve, contact to Microsoft. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.